Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Keychron M3 wireless mouse. It's an ultra lightweight body that supports wireless 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connection. It is ideal for any scenario, whether it's work, gaming or even on the go. It offers you the best performance and maximizes your productivity. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual, and here it is the mouse. Ergonomic curved design ensures a comfortable grip for a long time. Right button, left button, middle wheel button, scrolling. It is very soft, very comfortable. Forward and backward button. The RGB light effect button. I like the click. I think it fits perfect in my palm. The M3 has the strongest, most competitive grade mouse sensor chip, there it is, with up to 26,000 dpi and up to 650 IPS. At the back we have the 3-position switch, off, 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. The M3 gives you extremely low latency and quick response for gaming and the office. Because we are at the 2.4 GHz mode, the light at the scrolling wheel is green, waiting for connection. You can press the report rate button to switch among 3 levels of polling rate from 125 Hz to 1000 Hz in the 2.4 GHz and wired mode only. White, blue and red. And we have the DPI button, 5 levels, color coded levels, I like that. It also offers a stable 5.1 Bluetooth connection for even more variety in your wireless connectivity. Off position and then Bluetooth. And again you can choose the DPI, but you cannot use the report rate. It is only for the wireless and wired connection. And because we are at the Bluetooth mode, the light at the scrolling wheel is blue, ready for connection. Or you can use the Type-C wired connection here at the front and connect at your PC or laptop. 2.4 GHz wireless connection, Bluetooth connection or wired connection. And here we have the cable, 1.5 meter it is the length of the cable. And we have the adapter from Type-C to Type-A, very convenient, I like that. Connect that at your mouse and that at the laptop or PC with the Type-A or the Type-C. We have 2 types of receivers in the box. The smallest Type-C 2.4 GHz receiver and a Type-A 2.4 GHz receiver. It is easy for you to arrange the use of ports. Connect to your laptop or PC. And we have in this adapter. If you want to use again the cable, Type-C, the adapter, and then the Type-A receiver. And from the other side of the cable you can use the Type-C or Type-A and connect to your PC or laptop. I like that. Or you have another choice. If you want to use the Type-C connection with the cable, that is easy. Unplug this adapter, plug it in here, Type-C, and then you can use the Type-C at your Type-C port of your laptop or PC. Very convenient. So many choices to connect your mouse to your PC or laptop. I like that. Thumbs up. I like when the product gives you so many options to use. housed with a large battery of 600 mAh. The M3 provides a long continuous working time of up to 135 hours. No need to replace the battery, just charge it. Very convenient. It is a fully customizable RGB light with 16.8 million colors. We have this RGB line around the mouse. I will show you in a moment when I will connect that at my PC. And with the Keychron engine software allows you to do more personalization, modify keys, set shortcuts and even your dedicated macros. You can also do professional settings for LOD, polling rate and DPI. It is a great looking mouse. So let's plug it in. To charge the mouse, plug in the Type-C. We have a red light, that means it's charging. I will use the 2.4 GHz. The receiver is connected to my PC, and with the effect button off, you can choose different effect. I like it. How cool is that to have RGB lighting at your mouse? And off. And at the Keychron software, we can see the battery percentage, the connection mode. You can choose other profiles, mouse button, key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, scroll up or down. You can adjust all the functions for each button. Mouse features, DPI loop, player, macro 1, calculator, RGB effect control, keyboard, game enhancement, and you can disable the key. DPI sensitivity, you can choose or manual adjust. Report rate, macro, new, time delay you can choose, loop settings, insert, start recording, recording all the buttons. Stop recording. RGB light settings, lights are off, static light, and of course you can choose the brightness, other colors, instant response, the light is changing at the mouse. Adjust the saturation, breathing, how cool is that when you have RGB lighting at your mouse? Rainbow, Christmas, so many adjustments. And other settings, lift of device, sensor performance, scroll direction setting, debounce time, key pairing setting, Windows system settings, double click speed. You can adjust all these settings. And to choose Bluetooth mode, switch here and press the left and the effect button together for 4 seconds. There it is. And connect. Add device. There it is.
connect it. Done.
This versatile mouse is a great addition to any setup, whether you are working, gaming or just browsing. The Keychron M3 offers reliable wireless connectivity with minimal lag, giving you the freedom to move around without being tethered by a cable. With both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz options, it's easy to connect to multiple devices seamlessly. The M3 high-precision sensor delivers smooth and accurate tracking on a variety of surfaces, whether you are navigating complex design software, gaming or performing everyday tasks. Its ergonomic shape fits naturally in your hand, reducing strain during extended use. It's designed for both right-handed and left-handed users, ensuring a comfortable experience for everyone. The programmable buttons allows you to customize your workflow, whether you want to set up shortcuts for your favorite programs or tailor the mouse to your gaming style. With its minimal design and premium finish, the Keychron M3 is as stylish as it is functional. It's a perfect match for modern desktops and laptops, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. If you are in the market for a wireless mouse that combines precision, comfort and style, the Keychron M3 is definitely worth a look. It's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their mouse to something that performs well and looks great on any desk. I hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.